Incremental routines. Let's continue the Supermemo course, approachable expansion. Now we will cover the review. All we have seen, the use cases for it. So most of the use cases will be like this. If you want cramming, it's also possible to do this, but keep in mind you are limited to see it once. So I could add cramming, the Repetition-1 incremental reading flow. When I say incremental reading, Repetition-1 is when you go manually by 1, so you click manually on the knowledge tree. So Supermemo never actually logs a repetition. That's why it's called 0 repetition incremental reading. Repetition-1 is that yes, you could open that and start a subset review, review all, but I will finish everything in one single repetition. So before moving on to the next rep, I do everything. I'm not going to see this element once again. I will do the lazy close deletions, the extracts if you will, and apply done, and move. If you have this flow, yes, feel free. Because in the practical sense, the Repetition-1 incremental reading with review all will be the same as add all to outstanding just once. You don't need to do it twice because you already processed all of those items. They will be gone. The topics will be either deleted or become folders, so they won't show up again. Remember that add to outstanding, all to outstanding, and review all only filter memorized. Outstanding or not, but memorized. Then folders are out. And if you want to cram items, you have the final reel as well. So you don't need to review all every single time. And it will be kind of problematic. So if you really stretch it, I will include this, even though it will be kind of, redundant to do it. But yeah, it's a good option. So nothing more to add, and see you in the next video.